Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing pussy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wasn't mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. Just that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you knocking off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stunner.
I used 2 mirrors just to make sure the back was straight and slick. You can see me splitting this section in 3 and then putting some of the wax on it, which turned my hair white, so don't use that wax. Some people plait under while I plait over, but honestly it doesn't make a difference to me. I add the braiding here to the right and middle section, and then I take the left side with no braiding here into the middle, and then I continue that pattern while adding here in the same middle and right section. So this is your section of hair. I did boxes, so I'm showing you in a box. That look right? No. Try again. So yeah, box once again. That's your section of hair. Fill that out a little bit. Yeah, it kind of look like a Minecraft squid. So you have 3 sections, right? What may I do? Okay, yeah, 3 sections. Then this is the braiding here. You put the braiding here on the right section. So now you have 3 sections, and the braiding here is intertwined with the middle section and the right section. Then just how you would plait normally, well, some people plait under, I plait over, so I would put my left side in between the braiding here, which is where the middle section and right section is. So after putting the left side with no braiding here in the middle, the braiding here is now on the ends. So you put the right side in the middle of the other 2 sections.
We gone, stop, we good, stop, chill, we on, scale, let's go, Domingo, let's go, take, let's go, set, let's roll, straightening, yeah, straightening, yeah, don't not get strained but straightening, don't not get strained but straightening, don't not get strained but straightening, you don't get shit straight, you don't straighten. In this game, sit back, be patient, niggas act like the gang went vacant, niggas act like something been taken, what, ain't nothing but a little bit of straightening, been kicking shit popping out daily, on the island, it's a movie I'm making, I'm counting De Niro's with Robert De Niro, he telling them that you're amazing, put that shit on, nigga get shit on, I bought 2 whips and I put my bitch on, she put this wrist on, she factory said it went rich and meal prone, turn a pandemic into a pandemic, you know that's the shit that we on, yes, sir. Them niggas gon' pull up and L it, the shit is together, won't fuck with you home, I don't do the fake kicking, there go a rocket, it's taking it, it's a problem with you, then we straightening it, swap out the cap with a demon in it, upgrade the band up, put fiends in it, I got some shooters you ain't seen with, we're running shit back, I just seen tinted, we gonna get straightening, yeah, straightening, yeah, don't not get strained but straightening, don't not get strained but straightening, don't not get strained but straightening, you don't get shit straight, you don't straighten. You don't get shit straight if you don't strain it. I'm the type to sit back and watch patient. Do a trick with the stick, it's amazing. In the bando, trapping out fake. Nose on like I'm starring in the Matrix. I get the cookie like my grandma made it. I get the keys and the pounds and the babies. In the bridge came white like shady. Drive the Lambo through the avenue. Spit a little bit with an attitude. Give a shout out to them white boys. All white rolls look radical. Keep you a 5, don't let them take it. Look at George, you gotta get straight. I got your up, I give them a facelift. My niggas lurking and spending the day shift. I got the rent when you see me. Ragged. Back to back is a repeat. Championship is a 3-piece. Shoot out the window like Drizzy and Freaky. I keep it on me, believe me. Yes, sir. I be up high where the trees be. I go and put on so much of this ice. They say don't touch me, you gon' freeze me. Straightening, straightening.
I know I've been away. Don't give my shit away. I know I've been away. Don't give my shit away. They just wanna fuck with you. Cause they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Baby, baby, don't be down. Don't tell me wrong. I ain't got no one at all. This penthouse view ain't as beautiful as you. Wanna have time, but I can make time for you. Oh, I used to tell lies, but I would never lie to you. I've spray on my dime, looking all kinds of new. So you know what I like, what would you like to do? Tell me, I'm telling you. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my picture straight, girl. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my picture straight. I know I've been away. Just trying to get my picture straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my picture straight.
Let your edge out to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing yesterday. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, baby, you don't care. This is urgent. Trying to make some simple change to me a war in my mind. Gotta let go away, he was holding me to the right, but it will bring up in front of me. All the while, I wave my arm, I feel it. Still wanna try, still believe it. Living in my mind, hold me on my feet.
So guys, hit that bell and turn that notification on and subscribe to my channel. DJ Skiddy in the building, guys.